everyone, welcome to the Origami Joy channel. Today, we will fold a sea snail. You will need a square piece of paper. Alright, let's get started. First, fold these two corners together. Unfold. Then fold these two corners together. Rotate it. Fold this edge to here. Unfold. Fold the left edge to the bottom. Unfold. Then pinch to form a corner. Move it to the left side. Flip it over. Fold the top right corner down to align with the bottom edge. Smooth it out. Unfold. Fold it to the bottom. Unfold. Fold this corner down first. Then unfold. Fold it up. Unfold. Pinch to form a corner. Fold it down first. Unfold. Fold it up. Unfold. Pinch it here. Pinch to form a corner. Now it should look like this. Rotate it. Fold this corner up. Fold this corner down. Rotate it. Fold it up again. Repeat the previous steps. Fold it down again. Rotate it. Fold it up again. Fold it down. Rotate it. Fold it up. 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 Fold it down. Now it should look like this. Twist these two corners together. Insert your finger into this part. Pull out the bottom. Spread the top. Roll this part. And your sea snail is done. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.